Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best F150 LED headlights is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for the 2016 Ford F-150, offering a dramatic improvement in visibility, style, and safety on the road. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know before making the switch, from brightness and beam pattern to installation difficulty and long-term durability, helping you choose the perfect LED headlight upgrade to transform your truck's nighttime driving experience. Number 5. F150 Light Kit. Give your Ford F-150 a dramatic lighting upgrade. This kit provides superior illumination for safer night driving. The package includes 6 high-performance bulbs, 4 for the multi-beam and 2 for the fog lights. It's a complete lighting solution. Enjoy significantly enhanced visibility on the road. They offer a perfect beam pattern for optimal light distribution and reduced glare. If a bulb doesn't light up, simply reverse its polarity, swap it with another, or adjust its metal pin. These simple steps should solve the issue. Installation is a breeze. It's a simple plug-and-play process. Remember to let them cool before handling. These lights are built to last with a 30,000-hour lifespan. The durable design includes an aluminum alloy shell, IP65 waterproof rating, and a powerful cooling fan. What we like. If you need a significant brightness boost for your fog and multi-beam lights and want a simple installation process, this is a great option. Its long lifespan means fewer replacements, saving you time and money. This kit is perfect for drivers who prioritize ease of use and long-term value. What people say. Super bright and clear. I can see at night finally. Very bright, good quality headlights. I get flashed at often with people thinking my high beams are on. So much more visibility, and I am grateful for the increased safety. Also simple install. Easy to install, bright and really improve the vision at night. Number 4. VLAND F150 LED Headlights. These headlights are designed as a direct replacement for your old ones. Installation is easy, it's a simple plug-and-play operation. Please keep all packaging and manuals. If there's a problem, contact us with photos and videos showing the issue. They feature dynamic animation. Watch them come alive when you lock or unlock your vehicle. These are weatherproof and super durable, so they'll withstand harsh conditions and last for years. These headlights meet all safety standards. They are SAE and DOT approved, ensuring they are fully street legal. The part numbers are listed for easy reference. Check to make sure they match your vehicle's requirements. What we like. If you're looking to upgrade your F-150's look with a stylish and modern touch, this is the perfect choice. The dynamic animation adds a unique flair, and the plug-and-play installation makes it a breeze to install. It's a great option for those who want a seamless, factory-like fit and a touch of high-tech style. What people say. Great lights, very easy install, plug and play. These have a much better beam pattern on the road and a higher light output. They also have LED turn signals. No, they do not hyper flash, they work perfectly. I'm impressed with these headlights. Fit was perfect. No misaligned holes or gapping. Install is very easy. It took me about 30 minutes each side to do a complete install. The lights themselves are really bright. Number 3. TXBILMOO F150 bulbs. These bulbs are designed specifically for Ford F-150 trucks from 2015 to 2020. They're a perfect fit for your high beams, low beams, and fog lights. With a 360 degrees adjustable lock ring, you can easily fine-tune the beam for optimal visibility. Enjoy clearer, safer night driving with their 6500K light. These bulbs deliver an incredible 35,000 lumens, making them significantly brighter. Plus, they're built to last over 50,000 hours, saving you time and money on replacements. Installation is a breeze. It's a simple plug-and-play system, getting you back on the road quickly and easily. We're here to help. Our customer support team is ready to answer any questions and ensure you're completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. If maximum brightness and a precise beam pattern are your top priorities, then this is the option for you. Experience significantly improved night vision and enjoy worry-free driving with its incredibly long lifespan. This is ideal for drivers who demand superior illumination and durability. What people say. The lights are a bright white light, brighter than factory. Are they LED? Yes. Are they headlights? Yes. Number 2. VLAND F150 LED Headlights. Transform your truck's look and enhance nighttime visibility with these LED headlights, designed specifically for your 2015 to 2017 Ford F-150. They're a direct replacement for your factory halogen headlights, offering a seamless plug-and-play installation. Experience significantly brighter illumination with these LED headlights. Enjoy safer driving at night, thanks to their superior light output and advanced technology. Everything you need is included: a set of left and right headlights, an instruction manual, and an accessory harness. If you have any questions about fitment, we're here to help. These headlights are designed for a simple plug-and-play installation. No splicing is required, making the upgrade quick and easy. Professional installation is always recommended for optimal performance. They are made with high-quality materials, ensuring they are fully sealed, waterproof, dust, and corrosion resistant. Plus, they come with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Give your Ford F-150 a stunning new look and improved safety with these premium LED headlights. They're the perfect upgrade to enhance both style and functionality. What we like. For a simple plug-and-play upgrade that enhances both safety and style, consider this option. The startup animation adds a touch of personality, and the brighter lights improve nighttime visibility. This is a great choice for those who want a straightforward installation and a noticeable improvement in lighting. What people say. Easy process to get them installed, perfect fit. Got the DRL matched up easily with the grille lights. LEDs are included in low and high beams, will update, but stated for 10,000 run hours. The quality and light output is fantastic. Very bright upgrade. The built-in LED bulbs are extremely bright and have a great throw. 100% worth the upgrade from the factory halogen headlights. Number 1. VLAND F150 LED Headlights. These headlights are perfect replacements for 2015 to 2017 Ford F150 XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited models. They're a direct bolt-on, no modifications needed, and offer a simple plug-and-play installation. They feature stunning white DRLs with dynamic animation. This means you'll get a cool light show when you lock or unlock your truck. It's a modern touch that will make your truck stand out. For your reference, here are the part numbers: left, F02502335, hashtag FL3Z13008B, F02502344, hashtag FL3Z13008H, right, F02503335, hashtag FL3Z13008A, FL3Z13008ACP, F02503344, FL3Z13008C, FL3Z13008G. Please keep the packaging, labels, and manuals. If there are any issues, contact us with photos and videos showing the problem. You can easily find the messaging button on your order page. These headlights are built to last. They're completely sealed to protect against moisture and dust, ensuring they'll perform reliably for years to come. What we like. If you want to enhance your F-150's daytime running lights with a modern, dynamic animation and prefer a clean, white light, this is a great choice. The easy plug-and-play installation makes it a simple upgrade. This is perfect for those who desire a stylish and functional improvement to their vehicle's appearance. What people say. Great lights, very easy install, plug and play. These have a much better beam pattern on the road and a higher light output. They also have LED turn signals. No, they do not hyper-flash, they work perfectly. The lights themselves are really bright. Fit was perfect. No misaligned holes or gapping. Install is very easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.